Good evening, everyone. Today is June 12, 2024. I just have a conversation with a buyer that very hard to find a real supplier. Most of the buyer thinking gold is cheap and they think that gold is banana. Even banana, there is a value. Gold has the value. Now, there's a lot of buyers and seller are deceiving each other. Buyer travel to West Africa thinking they can get gold and diamond. And the seller also trying to deceive the buyer. So buyer was being deceived because he is looking for cheap price. And the seller will deceive you. Now, last night, there was a buyer that he went to Sierra Leone and he purchased diamond, I think 27 stones. And he knows me, but he did travel to Sierra Leone because he wanted to know the ins and out. He did pay the diamond, and he was been promised that the stone will be handed over in the airport. And he said that he saw the KPC, and this buyer is from Dubai. Last night he came to me and he showed me the seller, and he lost his $45,000. I'm going to print out this seller so that you will be aware. Okay, you will be aware that please do not travel no matter what if the seller offer you cheap price, no matter what. Even gold, if the seller offer you cheap price, don't be naive, because at the end of the day you are going to encounter disaster. Now this buyer from Dubai last night, he sent me the seller and the passport. I'm going to print out so that I would expose this, because this seller, you tarnish your country. You really tarnish your country. Just a moment. I'm printing out. Now the buyer from Dubai chat with me last night, and this is the seller. Okay, from Sierra Leone. And I'm going to print out his passport. See, the buyer went to Sierra Leone purchasing rough diamond. He showed me the rough diamond. It's very nice stone. But the problem is the seller didn't show up in the airport to hand over. And I told this buyer from Dubai, you should ship the stone and don't leave Sierra Leone unless the stone was being shipped to Dubai. This is the seller, the passport. Can you see that? So now I have to expose seller so that buyers would be aware. Now this buyer, he knows me. Before he flew to Sierra Leone, he knows me. He found me on my YouTube channel. And I told him, I wish you good luck. So he was happy, showing the stone, that he showed me the stone. And I think I have the stone that he sent it to me. Just bear with me. I'm going to find the stone. Okay. Okay, just bear with me. Where is the... couldn't find the stone. But anyway, I have to. Okay. I couldn't find the stone. Now this is this seller from Sierra Leone, and this is the passport of the seller. The buyer, the buyer sent it to me last night. Okay, Madam, please help me. See, this is the seller. Okay. So if you are dealing with this man, and then you were being offered to pay taxes, guaranteed, you will not get the stone. If the seller will say, this is my price, 45 or 50, guaranteed, you will not get the gold. Guaranteed. Why? There is a process to get the gold out of the country. Now, most of the buyers are Indian. They try to travel around Africa. Yes, Africa is the main source of precious mineral. Why Italian group of companies in Mali? Why Russian company is in Mali and Burkina Faso and Niger? Why? Because there is business. But if you're a small timer, I doubt. Why Australian mining company is in Conakry, Guinea and in Mali? Why? Why German are everywhere? Why Chinese are everywhere? Why? Because there is business. But if you are a small timer, 1 kilo, 2 kilos, I doubt you will succeed. I doubt. You will not succeed if your capital is very limited. You will not succeed if you buy 1 kilo, 2 kilos. I can guarantee you are going to encounter disaster. Guaranteed 100%. Why? I've been to Africa. I accompany the buyer. Now, Mr. Buyer, if you're watching this video, Wilhelmina is your business facilitator. Okay? Wilhelmina's services is not for free. I explain about what necessary requirement you are going to comply and what necessary export documentation the seller will provide for you if you pay the gold. Now, I think if you watch my video on my platform on Facebook, I was in Mali, I was in Conakry, and I was in Sierra Leone few years back. I only travel when the buyer is real buyer. I only travel to assist you if you can afford to pay. But if you're just coming from my YouTube and Facebook reading and then you travel, you were being offered cheap price, go for it. But don't come to Wilhelmina to rescue you because I am not a policewoman. I only come with the buyer when the buyer send a letter of interest called LOI. That LOI will signify that you are a buyer. Now, when you send a letter of interest, I will validate your letter of interest. But if you are sending LOI asking is BLC, bank instrument, CIF, cost insurance and freight, your LOI would be on the wheelie bin because this is not CIF business. This is not cost insurance only. You have to pay the gold. That is normal. You have to pay the shipping cost. That is normal. You have to insure the product when you take out of the country. That is your responsibility to insure. You need to spend money in order to become successful to get this precious mineral. If you don't want to follow the golden rules and then you travel to Ghana, you travel to Mali, you travel to Kampala, you travel to Sierra Leone, you travel to Conakry, 100% you are going to fail. There are so many sellers are offering cheap price. Please don't be trapped. Don't. Listen to this video. Click below on the link. You can redirect it as well on my Facebook. You can see the video, my explanation on how to secure gold. Now, if you are from Dubai, Dubai and Conakry is direct flight. Emirates fly 3 times a week. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, I have the buyer, bring the gold to central bank. We will not bring to central bank. We don't know who you are. You have to identify yourself because before the gold will be brought to central bank, you have to come to the office first to inspect the gold. Yes, and then when you're ready, when you decided, the gold will be brought to the central bank. But before we're gonna entertain you, you need to have a contract. You have to provide your business background, a copy of your business registration, a copy of your importation license, your passport copy, and the proof of fund that you have available. Fund is standby in your bank account. You are only allowed to carry $10,000. If you bring a big amount, you are going to be questioned. Why you are bringing big amount? The payment must be bank to bank. All right? Maybe you can split it. Maybe you can bring 10,000 US dollar plus you send it by Western Union in your name so that you can claim it. Right? But come on conference, I will explain it to you. I will guide you. Now, this video is for everyone, whether you're a seller or a broker or a buyer. This is for your own benefit. Now, I've given you free information worth $1 million. But when I travel to assist you, it's no longer free. And I'm not going to advise you. Don't come to conference if you said, well, Amina, teach me. I am not here to teach you. When my seller hired me, my seller didn't teach me. They only say, oh, Madam, this is our product, this is rah, rah, rah. I have to research what necessary requirement that the government will provide the seller and what necessary requirement you are going to comply, especially to me because I am your business facilitator. And at the same time, I'm the seller marketing consultant to promote Africa. For short, I am the extension of the seller. My job is not easy. My job is very, very unique, but it's very hard. But if you're just brokering, you will not succeed. There was a broker from Ghana. He said, Madam, I've been brokering on WhatsApp, on LinkedIn, on Facebook for 5 years. I haven't closed the deal. And I told him, why? Because the buyers are liars. Yeah, there is a lot. Buyers are liars, also sellers are liars. Vice versa. But if you use Wilhelmina, I know my seller, I have to arrive before you arrive. If you're from Dubai, from Australia to Dubai, I have to meet you. But I'm not going to travel with my own expenses. This is business. I do charge my services to you, Mr. Buyer. You are using my services. I do charge $20,000 to cover all my expenses, non-refundable. In spite of that, the price of gold, whatever the price of gold, our selling price less 8%. Now, I'm going to look at the price of gold. Okay? Today, the price of gold is 2031 4.81 an ounce. In dollar term, 74,431.34 on the refined. We are not selling refined. We are selling unrefined. So our selling price on unrefined is 68,220. Previous week, the price was 76. Now the price of gold is down. Today is 74,431.34 in dollars term. Our selling price on 22 plus, which is 68,220. Previous weeks, our selling price was $70,000. So the price of gold, it fluctuates. There was a stupid Indian. He said, "Why are you selling the world market price? That is the demand." There's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. There's so many Indians looking for cheap price. What happened? Disaster. Most of the buyer in Dubai encountered disaster. They went to Ghana, disaster. They went to Nairobi, disaster. They went to Kampala, disaster. They went to Congo, disaster. Why? You were not being guided. The seller would not tell you what necessary requirement he's going to provide you. He wouldn't. He only think about the money. Look at this buyer from Dubai. He went to Sierra Leone to secure diamond. This is the seller that cheated the buyer from Dubai. Yeah, he sent me this picture, and he sent this picture passport copy. Okay, Mr. Dabu, if you are watching, do not cheat the buyer. And you receive the money, and you said that you are going to meet the buyer in the airport to hand over the KPC, and you didn't show up. And the buyer kept on calling, and you said, I'm coming. You know, the buyer last night was saying, you know, madam, I canceled my flight. And then I keep on calling this seller. And he said, he's coming. I told him, this is the nature of the buyer, the seller. When the seller said, I'm coming, don't believe in that, because they will not come. So he canceled his flight, and he returned to Sierra Leone to claim why the parcel didn't hand over to him. He said he's coming to hand over the stone in the airport. Didn't. And he said he will return to Sierra Leone. I said, no, don't, because you're a foreigner. Yeah. And he said to me, madam, can you come with me? No. In the beginning, I don't know you. And you have been dealing with the seller. I don't know the seller either. So I just want to show this one so that the buyer and the seller would be aware. There's so many problems in Sierra Leone at the moment. So many. So please, if you're a buyer, small buyer, don't travel if you don't have much capital. At least you need to have $500,000 standby in your bank account. And the payment must be bank to bank. Why? Your payment has to be bank to bank in order to reflect the cash inflow. Do not give the seller cash on the spot, because once you give them cash, he would not show up. He will switch off the phone. There was an incident that the buyer went to Sierra Leone again, and he was being invited, and he was been staying in Sierra Leone for 15 days. He lost money. And also there was a buyer went to Mali. He lost money as well. And also in Ghana. You know, guys, there's a saying, you are looking to find cheap price. In return, you are encountering disaster. It is your fault. It is your fault. The seller is hungry, and he's going to deceive you. Yes, it is your fault because you were being excited. You only think about the profit. You will get the profit if you are properly guided. Now, this video is for for everyone. But I'm not here to teach you. Don't come to Wilhelmina for conference. That Wilhelmina advised me, just read the full corporate offer. Click below and subscribe. And then click on the link. You will be redirected on my Facebook. I want you to read picture to picture. There is a message on the picture and also the video. I want you to pay attention. The more you rush, the more you encounter disaster. Just like when you drive a car in the main road, and if you drive on the winding road, what happened? You make an accident. Buying gold and diamond, exactly the same. You are going to make an accident. Accident meant you lose money. Now, most of the buyers, small buyer, why should I pay you, Wilhelmina? Oh, well, you are using my services. You cannot find this, the person like me showing my face. I am going to assist you, Mr. Buyer. I am going to guide you. Now, this video is for everyone. Click below and subscribe. Read the full corporate offer. And if you're watching on my YouTube, do not chat with me on YouTube because I'm too busy. Come on conference on Skype and on WhatsApp. We can discuss video call live, direct to the point. You can ask question and I can answer you direct to the point. But before you come for conference, you read first the full corporate offer so that you will understand. Because when you come for conference, I am going to ask you, how did you meet Wilhelmina? How did you get my number? And then you're going to say, oh, Wilhelmina, I watched your video. Yeah? Which video? Because I have different video. I put the date because the price of gold changes every half an hour. Today is June 12. So the price is down. Now I'm going again to see the price of gold because it changes every half an hour. Okay. Now the price of gold is down. Again, it is 2313.39 per ounce in dollars term. It is 74,377.16 in dollars term, less 8% out of that. Use your calculator. Do not say, Wilhelmina, what is the price? You are not paying attention. You're not. If you're a buyer, just pay attention. Do the research because you can watch on the world market movement. Our selling price is the world market movement. There's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. We don't sell cheap price here. We don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. There is a minimum, at least 10 kilos. At least. If you don't have the money to buy this precious mineral, please don't be involved. Don't. Because you are going to burn out. If 5 kilos, I might consider, but I need to know your background. I need it. Because you wouldn't get much profit. If you're gonna buy from us, I can renegotiate the price because you are paying my extra service. It's non-refundable. 20,000 to cover all my expenses. 2019, no, 2014, I do charge the buyer 10,000. 2019 and 2020, 15. 2024, 20,000. Next year, I might increase 25,000. Only the real buyer can afford to pay my services. If you cannot afford, don't be involved in these commodities because gold is money you're buying. This is profitable business only when you have the capital. If you don't have the capital, please keep your money. Don't be involved. And if you are just brokering on WhatsApp, on LinkedIn, this is not for you. This is not. Especially if you come to Wilhelmina because I'm going to scrutinize you. Buyer lost money, the seller also lost money. Seller lost gold, $24 million 2019. So if you are very careless, yes, you're gonna lose money. Seller lost the gold as well because he was careless. both buyers and seller, when they offer cheap price, think about it. The price of gold is not cheap. Why seller is offering you cheap price? Think about it. Mhm. So better talk to Wilhelmina, deal with us. I will bring you to the office. If you are from Dubai, Dubai to Conakry is one stop. Emirates fly 3 times a week. Mhm. And if you're gonna ship the gold to Dubai, Emirates Air Cargo. And you're gonna say, well, Amina, bring the gold to Central Bank. I have the buyer already on the ground. I'm not going to entertain you. Because that buyer is not a buyer. Why? He went to Africa, he was being rejected. Yeah? And you did not meet the criteria. And the seller rejected you, and also you rejected the seller, so vice versa. So therefore you are stuck in Africa, then you're looking online, especially on WhatsApp. If you come that, well, Amina, I have the buyer already in Mali, I'm not going to entertain. I've been to Mali. If you are not very careful in Mali, I'm telling you, you are going to encounter disaster. I'm telling you. Okay? In Mali, your gold will be ASI at DNGM. If you are in Sierra Leone, the gold to be ASI at PMT or GGO. If you're going to buy gold in Conakry, Central Bank. Okay? The gold, let me explain how you are going to secure gold in Conakry. You are going to send me letter of interest, right? So you're gonna say, well, there, Wilhelmina, I watch your YouTube channel dated today, which is June 12. This is only an example. I therefore apply to purchase. I'm looking for Doribar 22 carats plus, which is 23. I'm looking for purity, which is 96. Purity from 95, 96, 97. The mode of payment, Wilhelmina, is CIF. A minute you're gonna say CIF, I'm going to throw your LOI on the wheelie bin. Why? I already mentioned that we don't deal CIF, cost insurance and freight. We only deal FOB bank to bank. Now, when I receive it, I will call you. So, hi, Mr. So-and-so, I received your letter of interest. I would like to see your business registration first. I want to see your importation license. And I want to see your passport. Last, how are you able to pay? This is my question. So, I'm going to pay to buy CIF, bring the gold to Dubai, and then we will pay after final ASI. Wrong. You will be rejected. I'm going to reject you because I'm already mentioning on my video. This is FOB. You have to pay in full before the gold leave the country of origin. Now going back, so we will send you the contract. Okay? You start a trial of 10 kilos. Okay? So whatever the price, less 8%. But because I'm going to accompany you and you are paying my extra service, I will renegotiate the price for you. Now, let's say today, the price today, huh? Just a moment. Okay? The price of 22 carats is 68. 68. Let's say 68,000 on 22 carats, eh? Okay. 68,000. From 2,000, okay, from 2,314.81 per ounce times 32.15 equals 74,000. On 8% on 74,431 equals 68. Now, because you are paying my extra service, okay? I'm gonna get the paper so that you will understand. So I'm going to renegotiate on your behalf. On 68, I'm gonna ask my seller, hey, Mr. Seller, I already validated Mr. So-and-so. Okay? Can we give the buyer at least 12%? Now, on 68 times 12%. Okay? Just a moment. 68,000 less 12%. Okay. Calculator is playing up. Okay. Wait. 68,000 less 12%. So your profit per kilo is 8,160 per kilo, your profit. Okay, minus 68 again. Our selling price is 59,840 on 12%, only if you convince Wilhelmina, because I'm going to renegotiate the price. You're gonna say, Wilhelmina, is there any reduction? My seller wouldn't give away because my seller has his own worker. I'm going to put you in Conakry, huh? The seller has a overhead. He cannot afford to give away too much money. You're buying money. So when you resell it in Dubai, you bring it to Dubai, you sell it 2.5%. So you still have a profit. So you need to understand that you're a gold trader. Dubai is a hub. Dubai is crying for supply. You are buying direct to the producer, which is manufacturer. So instead of 8%, Wilhelmina is going to accompany you. Wilhelmina will renegotiate the price on your behalf of 12%. I might consider 13%, but don't bank on it because you have not convinced Wilhelmina. On 68, less 13%. Your profit is 8,840 instead of 8,160 on 13%. But don't bank on it, huh? I'm just giving you a pre-conversation. Okay, minus 68. Okay? It's still 59,160. A while ago, it was 59,840 on 12%. Now on 13%, 59,840 on 12%, 59,840. So when you resell it, it's up for you. Don't ask me how much I'm gonna get the profit, Wilhelmina. I'm not here to teach you. You know that Dubai is crying for gold. Dubai, I know Dubai ins and out. They are buying to a gold trader. You are a gold trader. You buy and sell, you make profit. You sell it whatever the price of the day. That is the buying price. So don't tell me, well, Amina, how much is my profit? No, I'm not here to teach you. It is your business. Our business, we sell the gold, we give you the discount. It's up for you to bring to your destination to make money. So don't tell me how much is my profit, well, Amina. No. I'm not here to give you, to teach you. Yeah? I'm not a professor. You're lucky that Wilhelmina is explaining. So going back to Conakry. So inspect the gold right in the office because we already signed a contract. We will send you the contract. We'll send you the confirmation of your order. So because I gathered already your vital information, you will receive a letter of confirmation from the head office. You will receive the mining license, the export license, and the company profile and the video presentation that Wilhelmina was in the office explaining together with the gemologist. All right. So then we will issue the landing visa for you when we send you the contract. When you review the contract, then you sign the contract, you return it, and then we will issue the landing visa. Now that contract subject for inspection. You can still cancel it if you are not happy. So why are you gonna cancel it that everything is in there? Right. That's why you have to read the contract. We will not send a blank contract because most of the broker desanitize. We don't sanitize. And I don't want your vital information to float around from broker to broker Because once we release the seller's information between the buyer and the seller and Wilhelmina only. Because I'm going to review your credential, and you are going to review the credential of the seller. You can after you receive the contract, you can contact the head office by all means. Because I'm the extension of the seller. So there is a process. So I hope the buyer understand. Now, please do not travel if your capital is very small, and do not travel if you are not prepared. It's better you travel with Wilhelmina, because Wilhelmina already established with the seller that the Wilhelmina have the transaction with the seller, and the seller knows Wilhelmina, and I know the seller. So I'm going to bring you, I'm just like a babysitter. But this babysitter, there is a charge. You know, when you hired a babysitter per hour, but to me, I only charge you 20,000 to cover all my expenses. In return, instead of 8%, I will give you 12 to 13%. So you are a winner. Now, I will not stay longer. Click below, read the full corporate offer, click on the link on Facebook, then you will see all necessary requirements. Now, I'm going to summarize. Buying gold in Mali, Conakry, Sierra Leone, exactly the same. Now, let's talk about Conakry, because Dubai and Conakry is one stop. Now, again, you will inspect your order 10 kilos, bring your gold analyzer, inspect the whole lot, then the gold will be brought to the central bank in order to tell the central bank that he is going to export to you. The gold will keep at the central bank. Further notice preparation of your export documentation. You need to make a deposit. It's not upfront. A deposit, your holding deposit, subject for final payment. Now, the deposit, it depends to be discussed when you come for conference. So the balance, you will transfer that bank to bank, because of money laundering and gold laundering. Must be bank to bank. Okay, you only bring 10,000 to have a deposit, holding deposit. That is not upfront. You will not put money upfront until you see the gold in the office. You have to bring it to Dubai if you are from Dubai. We will not bring gold to Dubai without full payment. This is FOB. You understand that, Mr. Buyer? So I hope you understand. If you don't understand, if you cannot comprehend, come for conference, live video call, then you can ask question. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. Today is Wednesday, June 12. The price is down. Buy now, because there is a prediction that the gold will turn to 3,000 per ounce, even though the price, it fluctuates ups and down. Few weeks ago, the price was 78. Now it's down to 74. So buy now. Keep watching the movement of the gold. If you are a small timer, don't be involved in this gold business. If you don't have much capital, don't. I rather discourage you. Don't. Because you are going to fail, especially if you cannot afford to pay my extra service. Please keep your money, deposit that into your bank account, interest rate 3% a year. When you buy gold, your profit a year is 80%. When you increase your order, yes, 80%. But when you start, you get the profit of 8,000 per kilo. Okay, 8,000 times 10. See? So, 8,000 times 10. Your profit is 80,000 on the first shipment. That's not too bad. You pay Wilhelmina 20,000. You still profit 60,000. You increase that, okay, to 50 kilos, you get more profit. But on 10 kilos, at least you have 80,000 profit. At least. So do not be confused. If you're confused, to me you're not a businessman. Because businessman knows, and businessman is also bargainer. The most bargainer buyer is Indian. When I was in the office, sellers send the Indian out of the office. Too much bargain, bargain, bargain. Gold is not for bargain. Even to buy banana, I cannot even bargain today. I purchased avocado and banana. I didn't ask for bargain. Whatever the price is the price. Yeah, and then you bargain for the gold. You're buying money to make money. You must remember. You got my point? Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. I shall see you on conference. Don't be scared. You are lucky to have this woman in front of you.